Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today's video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove the background from video using Canva. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to level up their graphic design skills, you're in the right place. Only Pro Canva allows you to remove the background from any image or video. If you don't have Pro Canva, you can get free Canva Pro by clicking on the video in I button. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative tutorials and tips. To get started, sign into your Canva account. Click on the Create a Design button. Let me select a YouTube video chapter. You'll be able to access this interface. Go to Uploads and click on it. Now select the video whose background you want to remove. Let me choose this one. Select the video and then click Edit Video. Now click on Background Remover. The background will be removed after a while. Here's a look at it. A video background can be applied to any video. To do this, we will go to Elements and then search for Background Video. Among the many videos available, you can choose any. I'll choose this one. Let's select the video and click Set Video as Background. Here is the result. I'm going to try a new video. After clicking on Uploads, select Videos and select the video. After selecting the video, click on Edit Video. Now click on Background Remover. After a while, the background will be removed. You can apply a video background by clicking on Elements and searching for Fancy Background. Click on the Videos tab. A large number of background videos will appear. It is up to you who you choose. This is the one I'm going to choose. Select the video and then click Set Video as Background. There is an adjustment you can make. You can download it. Once you are satisfied, on the Share page, click on the Download button. By selecting the quality, you can download the file. The video will be downloaded after a while. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.